Hey all, my name is Paul Borosky and I am the owner of Quality Business Plan. And what I'd like to do today is to share with y'all my Meat Market Business Plan template. So the way the video is going to play out is first and foremost going to go ahead and give y'all a little bit of background about me, who I am, what I do, and why I do it. After that, we'll then go ahead and walk through the Word document as well as the Excel or financial model portion of my Meat Market Business Plan template. All right, so without further ado, let's go ahead and zip through this little presentation of mine. As promised, a little bit about me. Again, Paul Borosky, doctoral candidate, MBA, as well as owner of Quality Business Plan and Quality Business Consultant. I am a professional writer, specifically a business plan writer. So if y'all want to avoid all the fun and excitement, trials and tribulations, growth opportunities of writing your own business plan, feel free to pick up the phone, give me a call, send me a text, send me an email. My contact information is right here. I would be delighted to write a business plan for you. I am also a published author on Amazon.com. Check out some of my books there. They're focused on business plan writing as well as understanding financial statements. And then finally, I am an adjunct professor and subject matter expert in both business and finance. So if you do need some help with those pesky financial projections, business plans ready to go, but those numbers are keeping you up at night, I'd be delighted to do your financial projections for you. Again, pick up the phone, give me a call, send me a text, send me an email. Be delighted to help. And enough about me. Let's go ahead and talk about the star of the show, which is my Meat Market Business Plan template. So in this portion, what we're going to do is we're going to focus on the Word document or the actual business plan itself, the business plan template itself for the meat market. And so when you do, or if you do purchase my Meat Market Business Plan template, it's going to come with a Word document as well as an Excel financial model. And so in the Word document, once you open it up, you're going to have your title page. It's going to greet you. And on the title page, what most of my clients, what they're going to do is they're going to get rid of the words meat market, and they're going to keep business plan. And instead of meat market, they're going to have their logo. So it'll be their logo and then business plan. The next page is going to be your table of contents. Once you add a little bit more meat to the bone, you expand it, you make it yours, you fill in all of the areas in which you need to fill in. Then what you'll do is you come back to the table of contents, you'll click on table of contents, click on update table, click on update entire table, click on OK, and then all the headers and all of the page numbers will update accordingly. Your next page is your executive summary section, and in the executive summary, as well as throughout the plan, anywhere in yellow, anything that's highlighted in yellow, I recommend you all take a look at that and make sure that it is aligned with your business. If the words or sentences are in parentheses, then you want to change that out with your information. So the executive summary section is going to include your meat market summary, your target market, a good starting point for your financial highlights. The numbers in yellow, you'll be able to find those in your financial model. And then your funding request, how much money do you need to get this party started? Next section is going to be your company description section. And in the company description section, it's going to start off with your meat market summary, products or services sold or offered, your competitive advantage, what are you going to do better than your other competitors, a primary target market section, a pricing strategy section, hours of operation, location plus description, and then a snippet of a strategic plan, which is underneath your business objectives and timeline. Keep in mind, this is an editable Word document, so you can put your information in there. The next section is the industry analysis. I do have a subscription to IBIS World. IBIS World is the industry leader in industry research. And so what I did is I accessed the report and I extrapolated some important pieces of information from the report, such as revenues for the last year, profits, profit margins, number of businesses competing in the industry, employment, and then wages. Next section is your SWOT analysis, your strengths, your weaknesses, opportunities, and threats. This is just a generally filled out. So what you want to do is you want to click on the Smart Art, click on the little arrow, and then fill in the bullet points to the left. Next section is going to be your organizational structure, and the organizational structure is broken into two components, your ownership section and then your organizational chart. And so again, Smart Art for the organizational chart, click on it, arrow, and fill in the bulleted areas. Next section is your marketing section. For the marketing section, traditionally meat markets, what they're going to do is they're going to have 3 advertising channels typically, which are going to be your traditional marketing, your internet marketing, and your social media marketing. And so for each one of those channels, I did give you a good starting point. Again, fill it in, expand it as you see fit. Next section is your funding request. How much money do you need to get the party started? You'll put it right here. The terms you'll put right here. And then the interest rate you expect for the loan. If you're taking out a loan, they'll put it right there. Your next section is going to be financial projections. This information is pulled from your financial model. In the financial model, we do have a profit and loss for 12 months, month to month, as well as quarterly, month 1 through 3, quarter 1, month 4 through 6, quarter 2, month 7 through 9, quarter 3, month 10 through 12, quarter 4, and then we also have our pro forma income statement that is again pulled in from your Excel financial model. You simply enter your information in the model, and then you'll copy and paste the financial statement. All right, so enough with the Word document. In the next section, we're going to tackle your Excel file or your financial model. All right, and the last segment of this video is going to be focused on the financial model for the Meat Market business plan template. So for the financial model, it is in an Excel file, and the Excel file does have 4 tabs, which is your information page, your projections, which is just a summary of all your financial information, your profit and loss, and again, it's got your 12-month profit and loss month to month. And you can also update your sales revenue on a monthly basis as well. You can change the sales growth. And then finally, your income statement, which is for your projections for revenues, costs, and net profits for the next 5 years annually. So any changes that you do make on the Excel file, you're going to want to make them on your information page. You'll want to change out anywhere you see in the darker colors. You want to put that information in your you want to put your information in there. And the segments you're going to fill out are going to be your daily sales, your labor, your startup cost, your monthly fixed cost, miscellaneous information, which includes your tax rate, your growth rates for revenues, and then your growth rate for your fixed or your fixed cost rather, and then your loan information. And once you update that information, again, it'll percolate through your 12-month profit and loss statement and your income statement. Once that information is updated, you just copy and paste the updated financial models into your Word document, and then your financial projection section is ready to go. I do offer a more in-depth tutorial on how to use this financial model, and it is on my website. All right, hopefully this information was helpful. So let's go ahead and wrap it up and sum it up. In summary, if you are interested in purchasing my business plan template, it does come with a customizable Word document as well as a basic financial model that is customized for the industry. I also provide various tutorials. You can find my tutorials on this link right here. The tutorials just help you with the various aspects of the business plan template, completing them, and those tutorials can be accessed before or after you purchase the business plan template. Keep in mind there are some limitations to all my business plan templates. You do need Microsoft Word and Microsoft Excel in order to make edits. And also, if you have any questions, comments, or concerns before you purchase a business plan template, be delighted to have a great conversation with you. My contact information is right here. Pick up the phone, give me a call, send me a text, send me an email. We can have a great conversation. However, after you purchase my template, then I do not offer free phone support. If you want me to help you fill out that template, I do charge for the service. The service is there, it's mentoring, but like I said, I do charge for it. And then finally, if you do want to buy my business plan templates or check out the various templates that I have, the link is right here. And then finally, if you don't want to mess around with business plan templates, you don't want to mess around with tutorials, you just want a professional to write your business plan for you, or you just want a professional to do your financial projections, I would be delighted to do so. Pick up the phone, give me a call, send me a text, send me an email, or visit my prices page right here. And then finally, please subscribe to my channel. And that's it. Hopefully this was helpful. Go out, make a little bit of money, and have a great day. Thank you.